welcome to my videos. So guys, in my earlier videos too I have described why dash cam is very important nowadays, and I have also always said go for both front and back. So I'm gonna tell you a real incident that just happened with a friend I know, and it just happened like 200 meters away from my house. Yes, you heard it correct, very near. So the entire neighborhood is talking about it. So once happened, he was driving, okay, there was a car in front of him, and that car like even at the was going much slower than expected at that street, okay. Like the posted limit I'm sorry, the posted limit was 60, but suddenly he was driving 40 45, and just while the car was in front he did a hard brake, so that there's a collision. He tried collision, okay, and the collision did happen, and then he came out. Now he openly accepted that he did in order to get benefit from the insurance, and he wants to go with the claim of back pain, so that I mean to say rehabilitation claim, where he can get more money for staying out of work. God knows what he would do with that. But the problem here is, although my friend was innocent, but he did not have a dash cam, and after uploading all the information and even eyewitness account, the fault is decided as 80% for my friend and 20% for the other guy. The other guy openly even had admitted that he did it to get claims, and at the time of accident, instead of calling his insurance company first, he was calling the lawyer, because everything was like lined up even before the incident. This was basically a planned and staged collision. He was looking for a prey, and he found a prey and did it. So that's why guys, nowadays it's too important that you have a dash cam. You spend thousands on car and all, and just for $100 $200 you compromise, doesn't make any sense. It's a one time expenditure. Definitely go for it. If you don't have it, it could be too bad for you. So that is why it's very important. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.